Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Sorry if I'm talking kind of quietly. The kids are asleep and I've been waiting all day to do this. Excuse the hair, it's up. It's hot as heck in Southern California. So today I'm going to be doing a haul for you. My husband got me shoes for my birthday and I was so excited about it, and I was like waiting all week long for them to get here, and they got here today and I'm so stoked. Have you seen that like gift where it's like where it says that your item shipped and then it's like the lady pulling out the what the heck, I think I just pulled a muscle in my arm. It's like the lady and she pulls up her chair next to the mailbox. That was literally me. All of the shoes you are about to see. Okay, I don't know what just happened to my arm. Ooh. Ow. Mom problems. All of the shoes you are about to see were purchased from Miss Lola and were purchased using Afterpay. If you guys haven't heard of Afterpay, you need to hear about it. Especially like you mamas out there, like Afterpay changed my life. Like I know a lot of us moms, all of our money goes towards our kids and goes towards making sure they have everything they need, and you want to think about your kids before you think about yourself. Let me explain it to you. Basically, my husband bought 4 pairs of shoes. That's a lot of freaking shoes. Miss Lola, as freaking beautiful as their shoes are, you're paying now because they're amazing and they're amazing quality. 4 pairs of shoes, and basically my husband is paying about, I think, $27 every 2 weeks for 4 pairs of shoes, which is actually, I know that's probably like taking more money away from you, but at the end of the day, I feel like it's actually cheaper because it's like those shoes would have come up to like $100 and something, and you're paying less than half of that for 4 pairs. So I think that's amazing. Also, this video is not sponsored. I wish I was sponsored by Afterpay. I've been using it forever. I love Afterpay. I brag about it constantly. I just wanted to help out people out there, college students, mamas, because if this was around when I was in college, I would have saved so much money. I wouldn't have went hungry because of my shopping problem. Like when I first heard about it, I thought it was too good to be true, but it definitely saved my life and actually helped me be able to take care of myself and at the same time also take care of my children, because there's also children clothing websites on Afterpay too. So you guys definitely need to check that out. Enough going on and on and on and on and on about Afterpay, and let's get on with this shoe haul. Okay, so what I love about Miss Lola is that, first of all, the shoes come in these little bags, which I think are amazing. I mean, you can roll them up or clip them down, like get like a paper clip or something like that, or even a safety pin, and just clip them down and like store them under your bed. This is the kind of material that like will protect from like bugs and dust like getting on them and stuff. So these bags are actually really good quality, and they come with every single pair of shoe. So the first shoe I got was this beautiful rose gold shoe, and I really needed a gold shoe because I have gold dresses that I haven't been able to wear because I don't have a gold shoe or like a rose gold shoe, and I got this beautiful dress that this will go perfectly with. And basically all of the shoes I got were shoes that I needed to go with outfits that I haven't been able to wear because I didn't have a shoe to match. I'm definitely like on an orange kick right now because it like matches so perfectly with my blue hair. I got this like beautiful orange like mule. I really wanted an orange slip-on sandal rather than an orange heel because I feel like since I wear orange so much that this is definitely something I'm definitely going to just be slipping on and walking out the door with. And also I have the cutest outfit that I'm going to be wearing to Vegas when I go to the pool that these shoes will go with. So I'm super excited about that. Next, I got this neon shoe. It's like a neon green, kind of like sandal heel. I'm really into the sandal heel thing because I noticed I don't have many like sandal heels, and it's always sunny in California. Basically this shoe has a cute little strap. It's very simple. Neon is already so out there like when it comes to clothes and stuff. I decided to do something a little simple because the dress I have to go with this shoe is very sequiny and sparkly, so I definitely didn't want to take away from the dress at all. Last but certainly not least, this pink little sneaker. I'm really into the thick sneaker as of late. This shoe is like super funky. I already know there's gonna be some mixed feelings on this shoe, but I am freaking obsessed. I definitely could see myself wearing this to like Coachella or like out on a shopping day with my husband. I really love the straps. They're amazing. I really do love that. The only thing I'm worried about with this shoe is that I have really tiny, like skinny, like ankles. So I'm just afraid that I'm just gonna look like really like chicken leggy and stuff in them. Okay guys, so that was a really short haul, I know. Well, I mean, 4 shoes is like a lot of pairs of freaking shoes, like to get in like one setting. So maybe for like the average person it's a lot of shoes, but for probably like a lot of the influencers on here, it's probably not that many shoes. I hope you guys liked the shoes. I'm sorry I didn't show the outfits that go with them. That's just because I have a thing when it comes to outfits. I hate like giving them away too early. I like to just post one picture. I don't want to put it in a video earlier on and then post the picture. I don't know, I'm weird about it. I really love fashion, so I get really weirded out about like certain outfits and things like that. But yes, I'm gonna go get ready for bed now and watch Normani's new music video. So I hope you guys liked everything I had to show you. I know I did. I was so happy that I got new stuff and new shoes, and it was so nice of my husband to get me this. That's his way of showing me he loves me. So I will see you guys next time, whether that be a makeup tutorial or a vlog, I'm not sure. But bye guys.